Oh my gosh!
We just witnessed that.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Oh my.
Wow. This person in the white Suburban had the green light, and this old lady turned right in front of.
Oh shit. Fuck. Holy fucking shit. I fucking knew it. Yeah, I fucking pointed up because he had his shit up.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck? He's taking off.
He went away from his car. That's dumb. What does?
Are you gonna wait?
Yeah, I won't call the police. We got a video.
Here, hold on.
He's just passing by dogs. That car is broken.
You want to go chase him?
No.
If you have a life-threatening emergency, hang up and dial 911.
That guy just ran away.
You're gonna get it, fucker! Coward! Bitch!
Did you know that you can also utilize
He has a gun!
Oh shit.
Babe, he has a gun! Get out of here! Oh my god! Oh my god! Baby, he has a gun! Oh my god! Baby!
Oh shit.
Babe! Oh my god! Oh my god!
They're so close.
Oh my god!
They're gone.
Oh my god, please, there's somebody shooting over here! There was a wreck! And then,
At 4th
oh
and Bridge.
my god,
They're shooting people.
4th and Bridge, there's a guy with a gun!
They saw at the intersection of 4th and Bridge.
It's a 4th and Bridge, yes.
Okay. And they're in a car or what?
There
There was
was
two
a
different
car.
people. One guy had an AK-47, the other guy was shooting with a pistol.
Hang on here. What color was the vehicle? Do you know?
Gold.
It was gold, it was gold.
Gold or tan.
Oh my god.
Gold what?
Gold or tan vehicle. I couldn't tell the
It was like
make.
it was like a truck, a truck. I think, I don't know. It wrecked right in front of us. We have the dash cam, but they started shooting. They're shooting people over there. There was a car. It didn't move. I don't know if they shot anybody.
So it was at the intersection of 4th and Bridge?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How long ago?
Just now.
Just now.
We were pulling over to help check the people that got hit. We got it on video.
Okay.
Well, we got some of it on video, so.
Why did this happen to me?
So, a tan sedan.
Tan or
wrecked
gold?
into what- Tan or
That guy
gold.
had a pistol.
Okay. Wrecked into what color vehicle?
He had a pistol.
Hey,